Hey everybody, welcome back to my little vlog over here, or video blog, about quadcopters and the crazy stuff I do in that, and how I develop with quadcopters, and you know all the stuff I'm learning. Again, just on the side over here is a Twitter feed on the word drones. I don't take any responsibility for this content. It's just a Twitter search on drones, and all sorts of stuff comes up about drones. And it's really just to say what's all happening in the world with drones, and what kind of stuff are now being, you know, are being talked about. So it was Labor Day, and that was quite interesting. A longer weekend in the US, so we had a bit of time to fly, and we kind of enjoyed that. I had several crashes and stuff, but I did put 1804. Well, I used to buy these small little 1804 RCX motors, and everybody used to have them. Those were quite popular, and we didn't really use them that much. Only on our first quadcopters, or only on the first ones, and then quickly evolved to 2204s, and bigger motors, and 1806 motors. But those 1804 little motors, I actually put them on my little Morphite on now I'm running them on 4S. In the beginning, I only ran them on 3S, and now I'm running them on 4S. And wow, I did a few tests on that new DIL 4045 props, a 4-inch 4.5 props, with those little motors, and they're perfect for it. They actually turn that prop perfectly. It's really good, and having a lot of fun with that. And so over the Labor Day weekend, I made 1 or 2 videos about that. I went out for flying a little bit on that, and I created this video called a Labor Day, and let's see if I can share that with you. So it's called Labor Day, and it's a pretty neat video that just shows how this little quadcopter flies, and with these really cheap RCX 1804 2400 kV motors on 4S with these 4-inch props. So really, really cool to see. So that's the one thing we did this weekend. So not too much stuff going on, but that we did that. And then the other thing that we did was, you'll see that I'm wearing the shirt by a company, and it reads Air Bears. So this shirt finally arrived, and what Air Bears essentially is, it's a volunteer search and rescue for using quadcopters. So basically the authorities can contact you and say, hey, come help us do a search and rescue. I mean, you'll have to submit your footage. You can't keep it and stuff like that, but it's a very nice idea, and they have a site. And if you donate, or whatever, sign up and donate, they'll send you a shirt like this, and it reads basically airbears.org search and rescue, and on the back it says volunteer pilot, which is pretty cool and neat. And their site, you can find that at airbears.org, and if you go into their site over here, you'll see, they explain what the plan is and what they want to do, and of course, how do you do emergency assistance, and where all these people are, and you can join, and you can donate, and all sorts of stuff. So maybe check that out. I think that is really worthwhile to check out, and see if that's something that you can do. So that's about it. I did start on the testing of the Airblade, the IB Crazy Airblade, against the cheap Chinese Shuriken Airblade. And the initial tests they pretty much the same. I hate saying that, but I'm still making the video, so that will come out in a couple of days when I have time. but you know, I can't find a substantial difference between the two, which is very interesting. Contrary to what you know we were told that you know it's far more advanced, the IB Crazy One. I hate saying that, but it seems like that's going to be the case. But you know, wait for that. And apart from that, you know, it's going to be a crazy busy week after the holiday. So good luck, and you know, I hope everything's good with everybody, and have fun, and we'll talk soon again. Thank you.